Hi, Miss Erica. Hi, everyone. My name is Santiago Ramirez. I'm a student from Phonetics and Phonology 2 class. And today I'm going to talk about two sounds that I think that it's hard to explain or it's hard to pronounce for me. So the first sound is S sound. This sound is normally spelled with the letter S, as in the words see, say, sell, smile, thumb, school, steal, so, just, city, once, last. The S sound is a sound from the consonant pair group and is called voiceless alveolar sibilant. That means that you create friction through clenched teeth by directing airflow with the tip of the tongue. The S sound is through the mouth and is unvoiced, which means that you don't produce sounds with your vocal cords. It is defined by shape of your teeth and the position of your tongue. It is sibilant. Each sound is made by directing of a stream of the air with the tongue toward sharp of the edge of the teeth. To produce this sound, clench your teeth together lightly and put your tongue just behind them, restricting airflow to an oral channel over the tongue and through the teeth. So push air through the channel and through the teeth. The second exercise is with sound. This sound is represented as in the words think, think, true, three, something, month, both. Following words also start with the sound. Think, third, thousand, throw. The sound is a sound consonant from the group hair and it's called voiceless dental fricative. That means that you create friction in the tongue and the teeth. The sound is made through to the mouth and it is unvoiced. That means that you don't use your vocal cord. It is defined by the position of the mouth and the teeth. It's a fricative sound, which is sound made by a high pressure airflow. In this case, is between the tip of the tongue and the top of the teeth. To produce this sound, you have to stick out your tongue a little bit. This can feel very unnatural for us because in our phonetic alphabet we don't use this movement to communicate or speak with something, but it is essential to produce this sound correctly. So rest your teeth on your tongue and force your air out between the teeth on the between air out between the teeth like this. So thank you for watching and I hope that you understand this topic. See you soon.